Functional Movement Activity Analysis by Suzanne Church. The dynamic movement of putting on your glasses. 1. Right arm reaches for glasses. This involves elbow extension at the humeral ulnar joint. Prime mover, tricep brachii. Assisted mover is the anconeus. This involves shoulder flexion at the glenohumeral joint. Prime mover, anterior deltoid. Assistive mover is the pec major. Forearm pronation at the radial ulnar joint. Prime mover is the pronator teres. Assistive mover is the pronator quadratus. Step 2. Right hand grasps glasses. This involves the pinch grasp using the IP, DIP, MCP, and PIP joints. Prime mover, flexure digitorum superficialis, flexure digitorum profundus, and palmar longus. Assistive mover is the lumbricals. 3. Bringing glasses to face. This involves elbow flexion at the humeral ulnar joint. Prime mover is the brachialis. Assistive mover is the biceps brachii and the brachial radialis. Shoulder abduction at the glenohumeral joint. Prime mover is the supraspinatus middle deltoid. Assistive mover is the trapezius and serratus anterior. Step 4, letting go of glasses. This involves the IP, DIP, MCP, and PIP joints. Prime mover is abductor pollice longus, extensor pollice brevis extensor. Your arm back to the neutral position. This involves elbow extension at the humeral ulnar joint. Prime mover is the triceps. Assisted mover is the anconeus. This is an adapted homemade device to assist individuals putting on glasses.